Hope you all good. Let's get it. How you all doing though? I hope everyone is alright. Ah, man, it has been like a real boring week. I don't know what to say. It has been like very low volatility in the market this week. We all know that. And there was no like high impact news today. Everything was like so clean. It was like also boring. Like my whole week was so boring. I don't know about you other guys, how your week all been, but my trading week was so boring. For real though, has been like really so boring. And on top of that, I didn't I didn't like take even a lot of trade. To be honest, I never took like a lot of trades. To be honest, my trades are like so few. What about you guys? And I had a trade on. I check on this setting, like we see how gold behaving. So let's go straight. Let's start with a monthly analysis here. Always like checking about our probability. Our probability is the very most important stuff. If you're going to, I always say like you have to be with something to guide you up, like your checklist, your watch list. How are you going to trade the market? Because you cannot just jump in the market and you just say that you want to just go and trade. Yeah, you can't just go jump and just say like that. You have to prepare your watch list to be there to help you. Your watch list is your something that will always remind you. Yeah, you could be having like a very pretty strategy at H, but you have to be with your watch list. Yeah, it can be like a trading plan or your rules, something which you put in your trading desk. You always check on. Yeah, I have my watch list and something like probably something I do on a daily routines, and I also have my some of my small stuff I have to check to do like a market review before I jump in a trade. So I have also my probabilities plan where I start with checking on my month. I will know like whether I'm trading in a low volatility month or a low volatility week. That one will depends on. I know that the first 2 weeks of the month, you really have a lot of news, a lot of circulation and stuff like that. High impact news mostly comes like in the first 2 weeks of the month, and towards the second weeks of the month, uh, we have like little bit kind of news circulation going out there. So you know that the first 2 weeks is very highly. Now, if you check, this week is like the third week of the month. So you check on our calendar. Calendar has literally very less news. Yeah, our calendar literally have very less news and less high impact news, which can bring in some volatility in the market. Yeah, but the first week and the second week we literally have like a lot of like stuff pumping in the market, like knowing that oh this can really shake the market. So we check on our next week also is kind of a little bit boring because it's the last week in the month and I really literally have very less news. So let's start with our analysis today. We see gold, we having like 6 days for month to end. This month end on 29th. Yeah. So we see on gold our resistance was in still in 2062. And if you see here, last month the candle was bearish, came into like support level down here, if you may see down here, grab liquidity. Now is bouncing back. We don't know. In these 6 days, a lot can still happen in the market where the light can still flip and maybe the monthly still turn bullish. If you could be bullish and really flip on this candle and come for liquidity grab here, it will be like a very great next month. But we still don't know how the market will be. So if you look from this micro view, you see like we literally bearish so far in this month. Ever much like you see like this long week, long bottom week performing, and also some tower week also performing up here. You see how the liquidity came into the support level and now trying to bounce back. So we know that the micro is turning, whether it's moving so bullish, going in a bullish direction. We don't know whether it's going to flip. So we look for other pressures form. We try to look where are the resistance and support level so that we continue like scanning from a weekly level. So from a weekly, if you can see today is a Friday, our support level could be probably here now. We know that with a few hours now left to close the week, it's very hard for the candle to turn like bearish right now. Even though a high impact news drop now, the probability is low. It can happen. We cannot rule it out. We have seen like the previous candle closed on a bearish, then the last week candle came and respected the price closed respecting this support level. But this week the price first came, created a tower bottom wick, now came and flipped the price, making a very strong bullish run. So as we can see on our weekly, we know that we are ending the week in a very strong bullish. We go on our daily to give us like what our daily overview should be like. So we take a look at our daily. The cam. This is our resistance level now. The came and flip close above the price of yesterday. Is running to come and maybe flip in 234. That's our major view. So we see like these are the range which need to crack to break the monthly resistance level. So let's go on a 4 hours. We see like what is clearly happening probably today. On a smaller time frame, it will give us like which angle we look up to get like maybe a clear view and where is our resistance and where is our support to give us a clear view. So let's come on these 4 hours. We are strongly bullish. This is our support. Then let's go on our left side. Left side here, where is our previous? So we can say like our resistance level is probably this side, and this strong candle is going there. Let's first go to 1 hour candle and we see if we can get an entry, and we see our entry always, our strong confirmation candle is always on the 30 minutes time frame, right? But here we're trying to come to scan it down to see which range we can go in. What is the candle is trying to communicate to us? So we come and see the last support form on a 1 hour is here. This is now the range we have here on. Then let's go on a 30 minutes candle. Our 30 minutes candle, what will it communicate to us? So from our 30 minutes perspective, this is the range we are in apparently. Uh, we see we normally, one of our rule, we don't trade like a range which has less than 25 pips. This range is a let's see how this candle close is a 27 range. We can literally enter in this trade. We can literally enter in this trade let's see, to just come and flip up, right? So we can go literally long here. Our, yeah, to just come and flip this range, grab the liquidity up here. Yeah, so we have a trade here chart. Let's see how it will play. So that's our trade immediately. Let's see chart how it will play. Our stop loss is at yeah, 224. That's our stop loss chart. Let's see how the trade will play. We just want to flip, go up and flip. So we are on a buy goal. We are on a buy. Let's chart. We're on a buy, on a goal buy. Let's see where we'll go all in here. So our break even point will be at 2032. We'll move to break even if reach on a close. I think that will be like a close on 15 minutes candle. A close of 15 minutes candle. Then we'll come literally bring our stop loss to break even. Those clocks there. Yeah, this was a very good trade actually. It's a very pretty trade we taken in here. Later, a very good trade. Was later a very good trade we have taken in. So our main aim is like to come and flip here. If we flip this level to 230, 30, 2034, that will be really very great one. So chart, let's move. Let's wait. But I'm closing, man. You know nowadays I'm so scared. Chart. Oh, we're in. Probably we're in. We're in. So we say like if we reach 232, then we move to break even to say 230.66. It's a little late chart. So we're moving to the break even. Make it, yeah. So let's see. How many pips so far? How many pips we grab? Oh, shit. Yes, chart. So we're going now, we are in a break even. Make it risk, yeah, trade free. We see if it's going to flip us back or whatever going to happen. Our eyes is just up there like for a flip to come and take this liquidity at 2033 probably. That's our eye there, but it's a risk free right now. We are at the break even, so let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, chat, because you see this kind of close with no bottom wick. No bottom wick, it means that it has like a less opportunity, like a probability to come down, but still can still happen though. You see here, anything can still happen. But yeah, let's see what it all goes. Everything can still happen. And I think it was a pretty good trade we ended in there. It was literally a very good trade. It's literally a very good trade. So I'm closing on 50%. Closing a pair in 50%. Closing on 50% chart. Closing on 50%. Our eyes is still on our target, you know. I'm closing. So those who are going to keep it like run, yeah, still eyes on the target. That's the most important thing. Eyes on the target. Yo, so tell me how your week are all going, man. Hope you guys are having nice. You had a good week, like trading. Mine was a little bit boring, man. I had a very boring week, man. I felt like the volatility in the market was so low. Like seriously, that's how I felt it. As the volatility was so low. So chat, I'm closing my full position here. I'm closing my full position. You know, it's not about greed and other stuff, but closing, man. Yeah, closing full in, close, done, man. Hit our TP level.